Today we're diving into the next frontier of content generation, and trust me, it's a game changer. Now, autoblogging, which is where different websites in your niche are automatically scraped by some sort of tool and the articles are published on your own website, is big business. But it's not original content, and even if you use a spinner to paraphrase the article automatically, you can still get into a lot of copyright problems, and the respun article is never as good as the original, especially the SEO. And I've done this. I've run a crypto news website completely automatically, but the articles were just never as good as the original. Well, in comes this amazing new tool. The link will be at the top of the description, so let's dive in. So this tool is absolutely incredible. It's not just another basic article writer that uses ChatGPT. It's really detailed and customizable and will generate AI images for your article and even insert like topical YouTube videos embedded in your article. So let me show you. So when you go to the link, you'll come to this page, SEO writing. You can have a look at all the stuff that you can do with it, or we can just jump straight in. So much cool stuff. You can even add a whole Amazon product list into your website for affiliate marketing. So let's get started for free. Just hit the big purple button and we'll log in with a Google account. So once you log in, this is where you'll be. Here's all the things we can create with it. Some very useful things for affiliate marketing here. Now, as you can see, for blog posts, we can do a single blog, or we can have a bulk article generation where it can auto post up to 100 articles in batch to your WordPress website. But let's start with a single blog post here. So according to this random website, personal finance is the #1 profitable blog niche for 2023. Makes sense. Advertisers always pay a lot for financial type content. So let's go with that. Let's try 10 personal finance habits. So this will be our main keyword, and then we can hit generate a title and it will create an SEO optimized title. Amazing. Master your money, discover the top 10 personal finance habits. Perfect. So we scroll down. Here are our core settings. So we'll leave the language on English US, but as you can see, there's a lot of choice. Next, the tone of voice. A lot to choose from again. Just go with what makes sense for your blog. We'll go professional. Now this is an interesting one. Point of view. We can add a point of view for our article, or you can just leave it on none. That's fine too. The second person would work well, as we're giving you tips, although we are more illustrating the top 10 finance habits, so let's just leave it on none for now. Then the target country. Again, we can change this to any country we want. This should change the SEO and target it more towards that country, so let's do United States as well. Then the article size, you can have it extra small to large. Let's just leave it on medium, which is 2400 to 3600 words and 9 to 12 H2 headings. I think that's good enough. As you can see, it says our medium article option dives deeper into your subject, offering valuable insights that keep your readers engaged and hungry for more, while enhancing your website's authority and search performance. That's what we want. Google rewards longer articles. That's why when you look up a recipe, you get their whole life story before getting to the actual ingredients and everything. Very annoying, but those are the ones you click on because they're in the top of Google. So here you can include some details that you want included in the article. As you can see, it says ensure that the information you input in this box aligns with the main keyword and title. So if you input information about dogs on an article about roofing, that's not going to work. We'll just leave that empty, see what it comes up with. Next, we go to the media hub. This is so cool. Under AI images, we're going to change this to yes, and we're going to change the number of images to whatever we want. Let's do 5. So half of the list should have an image. Next, image style. Again, you can choose any of these that makes most sense in your article. We're going to stick with photo as it's quite a real world blog that we're writing here. Image size on 16:9 is fine. And it will even include keywords in the alt text of the images, which is important for SEO, so that's awesome. Make sure that's ticked. Now it can actually input YouTube videos into your article, which is amazing. So let's hit yes on there. Let's put one video, and sure, we can leave this on alternate image and video. Next, you can enter your own keywords, which you can get from a number of tools. Even some AI tools will get you some good keywords. But this one has its own built-in NLP keywords generation, so let's just use that. There we go, it added 11 keywords. Very good keywords. Also, you can just keep pressing this until you hit the 150 or until you're satisfied with the amount of keywords. So next we have the structure. You can change anything you want again. Now I'm just going to turn off tables and I'll leave the rest on so you can see the result of everything else. Next we have something very cool, connect to web. So let's turn this on and it will actually search the web and use the articles it finds as sources for a factual basis for writing our article. So it will actually basically fact check what it's doing before it will write it. Now you can also insert your own links here. So we'll hit yes on source links as well. And as you can see, we can choose real-time news search, real-time search results, or you can input your own URLs as references here. We will do real-time search results, so it should input all that data it finds into our article. Next, you can have it automatically publish to your WordPress website, which is very cool. You will need to connect SEO writing with your WordPress by installing the plugin in your WordPress, which is literally just a couple of clicks. Also here you can input your OpenAI API key for if you want to use the GPT-4 in this language model section here. We'll just leave it on a mix of all of them. Also, as you can see, if you've used up their words and still have unspent article generation limits, you can input your API key here as well to still generate the articles. So that's it. That's all our options. We will scroll back up and hit run. Now this shouldn't take too long, and there we go, it's done. As you can see, we can edit it, we can repeat it again, or you can delete it there. Let's have a look at our article. And here it is, 2,978 words. We can show the meta tags here. If you know anything about SEO, these are important. And they look great. Now immediately we can see the first image has been generated. It's not very good because the texts are all jumbled up, as most AI image generators do still. But that's fine, I'll show you how to edit this in a sec. But let me tell you, the text is amazing. As you can see here, it gives our key takeaways, track your expenses for better financial management, create a budget, blah blah blah. Highlighted a lot of these important words. Looks fantastic. We got bullet points. Here we go. Here's our video. We only told it to include one video. Pay yourself first to prioritize savings and investments. And here we go. It's a very topical YouTube video about an accountant explaining money habits keeping you poor, which fits very well with our article. If we scroll down, now here's a pretty good AI generated image, although it looks slightly chaotic, but I think that's kind of the point because it's automating our savings. Scroll down, eliminate debt, key points. Now that's a very cool picture. I love that image. We get a quote down here. Don't let debt hold you back from financial success. Take control of your finances, create a plan, and make eliminating debt a top priority. Live below your means. Another amazing image there. This definitely does say financial freedom to me. Another amazing image. So it was really just that first one that was bad. Then at the bottom we even have the FAQ and then the source links. All in all, an amazing article, very long, very detailed, all the right info, the structure is perfect, the videos and images are all amazing except the first one, which we can edit by clicking edit. And here we can see our overall score of our article. As you can see, the keywords are highlighted in green. And then we have the content analysis, which shows that our main keyword is in these three things, but not in the H2 header, but that's okay. So you can change that if you want. Now we're just going to remove this image by backspacing a few times. For some reason it debolded that. So let's bold that again. And there we go. Now weirdly, I don't actually think you can insert another AI generated image here. You can upload your own also via URL. We can also hit the AI write down here and it will continue writing from where you were. There we go, but we don't want that. So we'll just Control Z that. And yeah, here's our finished article. So we can also publish this to WordPress from up here. And there we have it, our perfect SEO optimized long form article with AI generated images and videos. Now you can upload this to your blog and start making money with affiliate link. All you have to do is find products that align with your content and insert your link to whatever product you're selling. And then all you need to do is continually upload these articles to your blog and Google should pick them up in no time. So the pricing, if billed monthly, it's $19 a month for 100,000 words per month and 50 article generations. And you will need this if you want the YouTube videos, the AI images, and the connect to web enabled. However, we can get this $19 per month down quite a lot by just Googling SEOwriting.ai coupon and just grab one of these coupons somewhere. This one will actually give you 30% off. Just have a look around, you'll find one. I found one really quickly. And that's it. Now, there has been a lot of crazy AI news the last few weeks. Let me know in the comments if you want me to do an AI news breakdown. I feel there are already quite a lot of channels that do this. If you want me to do one, please let me know and I will make videos on it. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, you'll probably like this one as well, and I'll see you next time.